Unit 1, Meaning of Management. Traditional definition. Traditionally, management is defined as an art of getting things done through others. The person who directs the effort of other is known as manager. He accomplishes the goal of organization through and with the help of operative employees. It has been criticized on following ground. It does not give the function which a manager has to perform to get result from other. It gives the impression of manipulative character of the practice of management. The employees are merely treated as means of getting results. The need of the worker have been ignored. The worker are supposed work like machine. Modern definition. Modern management writers consider management much more than getting things done through other. Management involves creating a conducive environment in the organization whereby individuals are motivated to work efficiently for the achievement of organizational objective. Management is the process of getting things done with the aims of achieving organizational objective efficiently and effectively. The basic element on the basis of the given definition are given below. Process. The term process in the definition means the primary function or activities that management perform to getting things done. These functions are planning, organizing, staffing, directing, and controlling. Effectiveness. Being effective or doing work effectively means finishing the given task. Effectiveness in management is concerned with the doing right thing, completing activity, and achieving goals. In other words, it is concerned with the end result. Efficiency, it means optimum utilization of resource in performing the given task. It signifies the relationship between input and output. Efficiency would be greater if less than input are used to produce the required amount of goods. If more goods are produced with the given output. Organizational objective. The modern concept of management insists that all the activities of manager must be directed toward the achievement of organization goal. Features of management. Management is goal oriented. Management always aim to achieve the organizational objective. The main function and activity of manager lead to the achievement of organizational objective. For example, if the objective of a company is to sell 1,000 computer, then manager will plan the course of action, motivate all the employees, and organize all the resource, keeping in mind the main target of selling 100,000 computers. Management is a continuous process. Management is a continuous or never ending process. All the functions of management are performed continuously. For example, planning, organizing, staffing, directing, and controlling are performed by all the manager all the time. Sometimes they are doing planning, then staffing or organizing, etc. Manager perform a ongoing series of functions continuously in the organization. Management is a group activity. Management always refer to a group of people involved in managerial activity. The management function cannot be performed in isolation. Each individual perform his her role at his her status and department, and then only management function can be executed. Even the result of management affect very individual and every department of the organization, so it always refer to a group effort and not the individual effort of a person. Balancing effectiveness and efficiency. Effectiveness means achieving target and objective on time. Efficiency refer to the optimum or best utilization of resource. Management are always try to balance both and get the work done successfully. Only effectiveness and only efficiency is not enough for the organization. A balance must be created between them. Management is coordinative force. The essence of management is the coordination or integration of human and other resource for effective performance. All these resources are properly organized and divided into various work units for the purpose of greater coordination. Management accomplish result through the cooperation of other. Management cannot doing cannot doing everything themselves. They must have the necessary ability and skill to get work accomplished through the effort of others. They must motivate the subordinate for the accomplishment of the task assigned to them. It is through motivation that manager can influence the behavior of subordinates. Function of management. A brief overview function are given. First, planning to take decision and to prepare plan policies and procedure rule etc. or organizing to divide work among individual and create authority and responsibility. Staffing to employ people to various position in the organization and to provide them necessary training. Directing to give instruction to the subordinate to motivate them to and to provide them leadership. Controlling to compare the actual performance with the predetermined standard and to take correct action. Nature of management. Management is multidisciplinary because it includes knowledge information from the various disciplines: economics, statistics, maths, psychology, sociology, ecology, operational research, history etc. Management integrate the idea and concept taken from the discipline and present newer concept which can be put into the practice for managing the organization. Management as profession. Management has been regarded as a profession by many, while many have suggested that it has not achieved the status of profession. Sachin concluded that by some criteria, management is indeed a profession. But by other criteria, it is not true. Today, we can see many signs that management is working toward increased professionalism. Management in all pervasive. Management is science as well as an art. Management is both an art and science. Management combine features of both science as well as art. It is considered as a science because it has an organized body of knowledge which contains certain universal truth. It is called an art because managing require certain skill which are personal possession of the manager. Science provide the knowledge and art deals with the application of knowledge and skill. Concept of industrial management. Industrial management can cannot two term, namely industry and management. Industries implies those economic activity which are concerned with extraction, production, conversion, processing or fabrication of product. Industrial activity may classified into primary and secondary industry. Primary industry includes extractive extractive unit, mining, farming, fishing, and husbandry, dairy farming. And secondary industry includes manufacturing, engineering, cement, sugar, textile, etc., and the construction of building, dams, flyover, etc. Thus, industry cover a broad spectrum of activity which needs to be managed efficiently. Management, it is a science and art of achieving the goal of enterprise by providing a conducive environment to people through planning, organizing, direction, coordination, and control of human effort. Definition of industrial management. Industrial management can be considered as a management of main material and machine in industrial organization. Main material machine constitute the most important input of any production system, and the needs to manage efficiently to produce the desired good and service. In short, industrial management is a specialized management function which is concerned with the design of production system, planning, organizing, coordinating, and controlling the resource or input required by the production system to produce desired goods and service. Scope of industrial management. Industrial management integrate various aspects of management of an industrial enterprise. In particular, it covers design of a production system. Production system is a framework within which the conversion of input into output occurs. There are many production systems. The choice of production system will depend upon the type of product to be produced and the scale of production carried out by the firm. Production planning and control, it deals with the determination and regulation of production process after the production system has been designed and activated. The production manager is concerned with the production planning. He establishes the exact sequence of operation for of each individual item, part or assembly, and lay down the schedule of its completion. Production planning is followed by production control. Production control is processed by the actual performance is compared with the predetermined standard. Control over volume of production. Inventory management, quality control, supply chain management, productivity improvement. Application of industrial management, planning and designing product, determining the volume of input or service, size of plant, selection of manufacturing process and equipment, selection of plant location, selection of plant layout, job design, plant location and factor affecting plant location. A factor affecting plant location. Primary factor, availability of raw material, nearness to the market, availability of labor, transport facilities, availability of fuel and power, availability of water. Secondary factor, suitability of climate, government policy, availability of finance, competition between states, availability of facilities, dis, disposal of waste. Plant layout is a plan for effective utilization of facilities for the manufacture of product involve the most efficient and economical arrangement of machine, material, personal storage, and all the supporting service within our available floor space. Objective of plant layout is streamline the flow of material through the plant, facilitate the manufacturing process, maintain high turnover in process in inventory etc. Types of plant layout: product layout or line layout, uh, layout, combination layout, fixed position layout. It is also called a stationary layout. In this type of layout, main material machine are brought to a product that remain in one place. Shipping, building, aircraft manufacturing, wagon building, heavy construction damage. Combination layout: in practice, plant are rarely laid out as either product or process layout. Generally, a combination of two basic layout impact to type of manufacturing layout is used to produce various operations like stamping, welding, heat treatment, weaving, canning.